Welcome back to Why Crypto, people. Finally, the US government makes a significant statement regarding the new Shiba coin. Today, she purchased some fresh news. In reaction to US President Joe Biden's executive order on cryptocurrency earlier this week, the Financial Stability Oversight Council issued its own eagerly awaited report, urging Congress to draw a distinction between security and non-security, at least with respect to cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll discuss how the US government has finally made a significant announcement on the Shiba Inu currency. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent information on expert analysis and projections of Shiba unit prices. She purchased a new news today. Let's start the video now without further ado. As a result of the meme coin's violation of the symmetrical triangle pattern, the shipping unit price prediction is marginally negative. And right now, it's going for $6.0000110. Despite a 1.72 trillion SHIB withdrawal from the Huobi exchange SHIB, the market fails to advance bullishly. The Eternal Shiba's debut collectible card game has now been made available for download and play on numerous international mobile platforms. What effect would the discovery have on the perception of cryptocurrencies? Many people wondered. She purchased a new and hasn't yet shown much reaction to the news. A whale just cashed out $72 trillion worth of SHIB from the Huobi cryptocurrency market, according to blockchain statistics, which may be good news for the price of SHIB. Originally worth about $19.4 million, the SHIB tuna withdrawal deal is now only worth roughly $19.1 million. The work of a single whale or a group of investors generally goes into such huge transactions. Market purchasing pressure might positively affect the price of the meme coin because whales frequently shift exchange outflow to their wallets. The followers of the Shiba Eternal Twitter account were most recently informed of the contest's status. Back in September, it was revealed that the objective was for participants to create a 32-second long trailer for the SHIB game. Shiba Eternity gameplay footage and gameplay features, including qualities, disciplines, cards, and fights, are required for all contest entries. At the current exchange rate, the winning trailer will receive 451,263,537 meme coins. The staff of Shiba Eternity has assured winners that they will be contacted immediately via the messaging app Discord, which supports the bullish tone of Shiba news. Although Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.000011 with a 24-hour trading volume of $107,543,318, Shiba Inu has climbed by 0.40%. The strong US dollar seems to overshadow and keep the meme coin gloomy. Within the last 24 hours, with a live market cap of $6,082,715,818, the coin market cap now ranks 14th. The SHIB has successfully traversed the symmetrical triangular pattern at $0.00001119 on the technological front. And the closing of bearish candles below this level denotes a potential continuation of the downtrend. Leading technical indicators like the RSI and MACD also point to a selling trend. The SHIB may run into immediate resistance near the triple bottom level of $0.00001119, which is extended by a 50-day moving average and has previously violated the upward trend line. To sum up, Shiba Inu demand might increase the price past $0.00001119 and toward $0.00001115 if there is a surge. $7. You probably already know that Dogecoin and other coins have achieved significant gains in the last few days. The recently released Shiba Eternal game, which had successful tryouts in Australia and Vietnam before being released globally, is quickly rising to the top of the list of Shiba Inu's most talked about items. The number of downloads for the video game Shiba Eternity is already increasing quickly, and this trend is predicted to continue in the near future. The price increase of the Shiba Inu SHIB in the following days is anticipated to be greatly impacted by this adoption. According to crypto experts, demand for SHIBs will soar as the popularity of the Eternity game grows and millions of players begin playing it. This is one method by which the cost of SHIBs will start to rise. Due to their widespread use, the shippers and the SHIBREM are two additional crucial goods that will dramatically improve the SHIB at unit price performance. The smartphone game Shiba Eternity, created by Shiba Inu and Playside Studios, is a major driver of the positive trend. Shiba Eternity is a free card strategy game, and according to reports, it was among the top 20 apps in the Apple App Store on the day it was released. Additionally, it fits into the plan of burning ships. Token burns applied to game transactions helped to lower the number of ships in circulation. Shiba Eternal reportedly received 10,000 downloads in its first day, which is an impressive amount of momentum. Shiba Inu's governance token trade volume abruptly increased by more than 205%, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Although BONE was once traded, its price kept falling, and this led many people to make assumptions about what might have happened at the time of publication. $12 is down $13, or 47%. Volatility over the previous 24 hours has typically led to an increase in trading volume for any asset as seasoned traders make large purchases and sales in an effort to make a profit. Similar to how BONE volume increased, traders may be rushing to seize the chance created by recent price volatility. Investors may wish to purchase BONE at its current low level. The overall number of units exchanged or the volume of trades between buyers and sellers, according to some analysts, is a poor predictor of investor status. The greatest gainer in August was BONET, which on August 30th reached a yearly high of $2.39 after rising beyond the $2 threshold. Soon after this speech, the price of BONE failed to move into a range that the bulls could not maintain above the $1.63 level at the end of September, which caused a further decrease. Even though it's unclear what caused the spill, many believe that this is because the team hasn't announced an official release date for the ship variant, as stated by Shiba and his lead developer Satoshi Kusama. Then, in Q3 2022, or shortly after the Shivery and public beta launchance, the Layer 2 Shibarian builder unification gave it as the most recent upgrade. Since there were more than 230 million bones available, bone minting was formally discontinued in September. For the protocol to function with rewards set aside for validators and gas, the future Shivram layer will need to secure 20 million bones. Delegates will also receive compensation at the bone level for their efforts and successful completion of their assigned tasks in the blockchain, as is also known. In a constructive progression, a Shiba Inu team declared October 6 as the game's official download date, while the Financial Stability Oversight Council finally released its highly awaited report on crypto rules. According to FSOC, federal agencies currently have much of the power necessary to regulate a sizable portion of the cryptocurrency industry. Determining the precise boundaries of appropriate securities rules is the only area in which it requested congressional involvement. In other words, a lot of this wasn't really a surprise. The issue in the US is where to draw the line between a cryptocurrency security and a commodity. Where exactly does the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's authority start and the Securities and Exchange Commission's authority end? That question has not actually been addressed by Congress. Sure, some proposals, like the Senate Agriculture Committee's DCCPA, aim to solve that, but a closer reading of the language reveals that it omits that definition. This has put a lot of the crypto industry in an awkward state of limbo. The studies mostly delved into depth on what is now available in cryptocurrency, outlining current rules and restrictions. A review of current developments and examples, as well as how authorities perceive the potential hazards that cryptocurrency poses to the US and perhaps the entire financial system. In short, the main issue with regard to how crypto interacts with the rest of the world is financial stability. Whether it be through stable coin payments, banking operations, tokenized real-world assets, investment products, or even just the general notion that cryptocurrencies and crypto tools may be used to facilitate, replace, or even support some of the more conventional financial activities that are currently carried out. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.